in Group 6. Today I am here to share some information about introduction to air, uses of air and its composition. Introduction to air. Air is present all around us. All living things need air to breathe. Uses of air. Air is useful to us in many ways. It is used to do the following. We can't play with the balloon. It's joyful only if we fill it with air. Not even a car is useful if its tire is flat. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of gases. The two main gases are oxygen and nitrogen. In addition to these, air also contains many other gases. In the air, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, carbon dioxide is 0.03%, and other gases including hydrogen, neon, ozone, etc. are 0.97%. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Lakshya Pratap Singh from 5th A's Group 6. I am here to present my research based on the properties of air. Here are some of the properties. Property number 1. Air has weight. Matter has three forms which are solid, liquid and gas. It is a mixture of gases, so it will have weight. We can demonstrate it by comparing a full balloon with an empty balloon. Property number 2. Air occupies space. We can demonstrate it by blowing a balloon. The balloon expands because you are putting air into the balloon. The air occupies space. So the more air you put into the balloon, the more space it takes up. Now the property number 3 is air can be compressed. CNG, compressed natural gas, is a day-to-day life example of the property air can be compressed. Perfumes and deos are also a good example of the property air can be compressed. Now the property number 4 is air exerts pressure. Take a meter stick and lay it on a table. Unfold a full page of newspaper and lay it flat over the meter stick. You will not able to lift a super light piece of paper as air exerts pressure. The last but not the least property number 5 is air is affected by temperature. Take a balloon and place it over a pop bottle with 2 liters of water in it. Now observe the size of the balloon. Then place it in a freezer and for 10 minutes. Then remove it and now observe the size of the balloon. Now take the pop bottle and hold it in a baking dish with almost boiling water in it for 10 minutes. You should now see the size of the balloon return to the same size as it was to start. There are many more properties of air, but this is all from my side. Thank you.
From Group 6 experiment which I am going to show tells us that air is needed for combustion. For this experiment materials required are candle, matchstick and a glass tumbler. Take the candle and light it up. And leave it for some time. Then close the candle with a glass tumbler. After a few seconds, you can see flame eventually goes out. This is show that oxygen is required for a candle to burn, and when we close it with the glass and tumbler, oxygen goes off and lights the candles. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Pratishari from class 5A, group 6. Now you must be wondering what really air pollution is. Air pollution is the mixture of gases and solid particles in the air. Now I will discuss with you some causes of air pollution. Emissions from vehicles, chemical from factories, dust, pollen and mold spores, etc. are some examples. Now I will discuss with you some effects of air pollution. Cardiovascular damages, respiratory diseases, eye irritation in the eyes, nose and throat, skin cancer, etc. are some examples. Apart from these, the pollutants of air pollution also causes acid rain, which causes a severe damage to our environment. For example, the Taj Mahal is becoming yellow. These harmful chemicals also affects our ozone layer. Some solutions to prevent air pollution are: use public transportations, use filters for chimneys, avoid usage of crackers, say no to plastic bags, etc. are some examples. I would like to conclude by stating that we all must spread awareness about air pollution and we should stop it. Thank you.